Do you like this wonderful background and want to try it on your own? Well, look no further. Here's how you start. First, you'll need some cardboard black paper or any color you like. Make sure it's flat. Mine is a little whatever. Um, make sure it's flat. Just make sure it's flat. You'll need 4 pieces. Anyway though, so on to the next. Then you're gonna need some gift tissue wrapping paper. Boom. And then you're gonna need
Gift wrapping tissue.
a whole lot of it. Okay, yes. Okay, next, and boom. Now we have scissors, and boom. Now we have a glue gun and glue. All right, moving on. I'm gonna do this really fast. You're gonna cut it in 3s and down 1. Okay, fold it in 3s and down 1. You got it. Then we're gonna cut them out. Cut along those lines. You can do this. It's simple. It's easy. And then boom. I'm going to just use this crease and I'm going to just cut right on this crease because I don't feel like folding right now. I folded the first batch. Sue me. Then we're just going to fold this in half or figure out how I want the squares. I probably messed up, so I'm going to just fold this in half. Call it a day. Cut that right down the middle. Any day now? Okay, yes. We're going to cut that right down the middle. And then I'm being lazy, so I'm going to just, eyeball it and cut it in half how I feel like it. I wish I knew how to sing. But anyway, so back to this. You're going to grab that paper and you're going to stuff your hand right in the middle of it just like I did right there. You fluff out those edges, girl. Fluff it just like you do your hair or if you do whatever. Then you're going to twist the bottom and fix it a little bit more to your liking. And baby girl, you have a flower. On to the next color. You do the same thing. Boom, right in the middle. You raise up all those edges. You pluck them. You keep plucking them like you do those lace fronts. You pluck those edges, baby. And then you twist the bottom. You keep twisting like you twist whatever you do. And then, boom, there's your flower, baby. And back to the background music. Do 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 do. Do do do. Do do do. We're gonna speed this baby up because I feel like y'all got this down packed now. If not, just rewind it. That's what this video is for. Boom! A bricks. Alright, bricks. Hey, alright, bricks. Hey, alright, bricks. Hey. Alright, now let me put these back in because I done made a mess and I need the table. Okay, so look. This part is extra slow and I'm going to talk slow. You literally put a little bit of hot glue at the tip of that baby. And that's it. Boom. You press it down onto your cardboard paper and hey, baby girl, you done started on your first background. Congratulations. Make it clap. Oh, great. Okay, so back to gluing. We're going to put all of the big squares, which made the big flowers along the edges as shown here. And you're really just gluing away. You can make your own pattern, but I feel like just going straight across is the easiest to start with. Do 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 do. And right there, I'm pressing them out just to kind of just fluff them up and make them larger. And once you do the whole outline, you get this frame look right here. Details, honey. Yes, those are real paper flowers. All right, so with the second color, I usually start on the next row for whatever part of my letter I choose to do. If you're not doing letters, then you can start on whatever row you choose to do. It's up to you. If you want to do a gradient ombre, you go for it. Do you, boo-boo? But I'm doing letters, so here I am just pressing it out again just to fill in all of the black spaces. That's to the eye for the most part, and make everything look fuller and just dramatic, really. If you don't want dramatic, then you don't have to do that part.
Well, my stuff you still need to look up so see when it's on.
What?
Jump in the
You
box.
gotta look it up. You gotta look it up to see when it's on.
I don't have anything to look it up on.
Do
I have my dad's house. We have 2 iPads.
must I be so extra out?
It's recording.
Creep. Creep. Okay, and now we're just doing more fill-in. Gonna speed this on up even more, because who wants to do this? Now I'm bringing down my T. Of course, I use 3 rows straight down to fill in the T, and 2 rows across to do the top of the T. And I'm pushing it on out to make it full again.
Oh my God! What is my sis doing?
Girl.
Sexy lady. Ooh.
Alright, so just filling it in a little bit more, and boom, it's a T, y'all. And there you have it. So now we're just going to fill in the rest of the black with the opposite color, which is back to red. And I tried to cut smaller squares for that part, and you'll see why at the end. If you use all big paper, I don't know how it will come out, but if you do it, hey, feel free to send it my way and show me how that came out. I would love to see how that came out or whatever. And there you have it. This is what it looks like filled. And that's not all though. We gotta do the other side. Let's do it. By the way, homies, while you're at it, if you haven't already done so, subscribe and like this video, because I'm pretty sure you're loving it. Also, leave a comment on anything else you would like us to like DIY, teach you, or some things. We're pretty crafty. Okay. Anyways, so we're just gonna fill in this other side of the T, and then I'll come back to talk some more with you.
I know. Those are big.
We're gonna try to make the basketball shoes.
What the heck is this? What is this?
What the?
It looks like a flower.
I got blue.
Anyways, back to the background music. La 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 la. Da 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 da. Yabba dabba da. Da da. Zubu zubu zoo. La 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 la. Hey, look, we're finished. It's a T. It's a T. Made by me and Mickey D. We did it, you guys, and so can you. Easy peasy. This costs less than $10 to make, so why not do it online? Less than like 25 bucks. The tissue paper was about $10 each. I forgot. The cardboards were $1.